Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're gonna do is get ready together. I have class in like an hour, so I need to speed it up and get ready. So I'm gonna start with my natural moisturizing factors plus hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I'm just using this as my moisturizer for the day. So now that my face is nice and red from beating it up, I am going to go right in with some primer. And I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever. I had pre-filmed a few videos and yeah, so it's been like 2 weeks since I filmed and it feels so weird. And I'm gonna go in with my Chill Out Primer by Milani because it's super smoothing and I love the way it feels. So what is up? How has everybody been doing? What's been going on in your life? Tell me everything. I have just been doing so much for school. I feel like the first like month or 2 months of school was like long and drawn out, and now everything is like stacked back to back and packed all together for the end of the semester because we end in a month. So I'm just a little bit stressed. No big deal, but I have a ton of fun content coming. I've been working on a lot of stuff behind the scenes. And let me know if the lighting looks any better in this video. I got a couple of studio lights, but I don't know anything about lighting, so I kind of just threw them up. I need to figure out where to place them so they look a lot better, but yeah. I'm trying to step up my game. I also bought this little, like a stabilizing camera from when I vlog, so it's not like shaky for you guys, so we'll see if that works too. Since this is just a school day and I'm only gonna be running a few errands after this, I don't need like intense coverage and intense wear. I'm gonna use the Sephora Clean Foundation and it's super glowy, super radiant. So I'm just gonna pop that on. I'm kind of loving Zoom classes because I have time in the morning to like actually do my makeup. If this was back to real time where I would be having class at like 8 in the morning and I'd have to get ready before then, I literally throw on mascara, maybe like a brow product, sometimes bronzer if I'm like feeling it, and then I'd hop out the door. But I love being able to like actually put on my makeup before class and like start my day. And I don't do it every day, but it feels nice when I'm like home so much to feel a little bit more put together. Oh, I just got that in my hair. Just glob that on, didn't I? I feel like on camera my face looks like a ghost, but literally in person this is my match. So I don't know why that's happening, but wait till I put bronzer on, it'll stop looking so light. The issue is my chest, my face, my arms, they're all different colors, so matching me is horrific. I have not met a makeup artist who could like actually like accurately match me. They always tell me how hard it is and I'm like, I know. Not fun, but okay. We have our base on. I just used the It Cosmetics. I think it's like one of the breast cancer awareness brushes that they put out a few years ago, but I don't know where any of my beauty blenders are, so how to use a brush. But I love this foundation. It's pretty glowy. I really like it. Gives you medium coverage and that's what I like. I don't like anything super intense. I need to remember to keep everything out so I can link it down below for you guys so you know what I'm using. I think I'm gonna try the Kosas powder again with this look and see if it works for me. I had a little bit of success with a different foundation. It's not bad. It's not really adding, it's just taking down the shine. It's not really adding any coverage or anything. I am sweating a little bit because of the studio lights and I was rushing around right before this to make sure I could film this before class, so a little bit sweaty. But how is life going for everybody? Oh, I almost put my blush on my face. That would have been terrible. I was about to like go on my hairline, but I have some exciting news. I'm gonna put it in the vlog so you'll see, but just upgrading my life a teeny tiny bit here, making it a little bit more easy. So I will share that with you guys in the vlog, but for now, I just got an 80, wait no, I got a 38 out of 40 on my test I just took for advanced nutrition science, and that was an accomplishment. It was so hard. Didn't know what I was doing, but here we are, thriving. I don't think I'm gonna use, do I want to use concealer? What do I want to do? So last time I used the Bye Bye Under Eye, whatever, it like really creased on me. I think I used way too much. So I'm gonna use a teeny tiny amount and use my finger and see if that works better for me, because it's super creamy. And it was like really creasing under my eyes by the end of the day. But I was walking around a lot, so maybe that had something to do with it. All right, cool, one eye done. All right, concealer is on. I'm feeling good. I'm gonna set that so I don't crease like crazy. So I don't know about you guys right now, but I feel like I'm just kind of in like grind mode right now. I'm just trying to like build my routines and like work on stuff in my life. I don't have anything like super fun and interesting going on. Like I'm not working on any other projects outside of like my health and doing my YouTube. So I'm just really focused right now. I have a lot coming up at the end of the year, and it's gonna be a little bit tricky because my lease ends here in September, and then in August I start at my school like in person for the DPD program. So it's going to be a little bit of a challenge just because my lease won't be up here and I'm gonna have to move, and just moving is always stressful, and then when you add school and work and life into it, life just gets really hectic and it's kind of a little bit scary sometimes. So I have that coming up, so I'm just trying to be really practical. I was gonna try to do a whole series here where I was like doing a makeover of the spaces and making them look a little bit cuter, but honestly, I don't think I really care about anything outside of my little filming space. I am gonna update my filming space just because I'll be able to, because I'll be able to use that when I move. But as far as like the rest of the house, I'm just keeping it super, super basic. Like I'm not gonna invest in it at all because I have like other goals. I'm working on paying off some of my student loans, literally having to pay tuition at the same time. So just a lot going on. A lot of financial stuff happening too. So just trying to adult, you know. I feel like I'm in that season of life right now where it's just like adult. Everything you're doing is adulting. I haven't taken any like vacays. Obviously with the pandemic, things are a little bit different, but I've just been so focused on, you know, everything I'm trying to accomplish, and that season of life sometimes isn't as exciting as others since there's not a lot of like, I want to like fun stuff going on. I'm kind of just in the midst of my journey here and finally getting through college. So I think I want to do a kind of peachy look. So I took like a brown, I've been using the Milani palette, by the way, I did not say that. I'm gonna use the shade called Me Time. It's a little bit peachy, and I'm gonna mix it with Add to Cart and just create a little peachy moment on the lid. Literally, also, I've been on like a mental health journey, as I've been telling you guys, so I've just been having to remind myself that I am that girl. I know what I'm doing. I'm doing what I should be doing. I like am progressing in life. It's hard to like not compare yourself to other people. Like being 27 and still in school because I've like kind of changed career paths and like just trying to figure out life and not having kids yet, not having a house yet, and having like 1 billion student loans. I just feel like, I don't know. Sometimes in my family, I feel like you're more rewarded if you're having kids and you're like doing the normal path, and it's sometimes a little sad. Like I feel like I'm behind, and I'm pretty good at like not looking at social media and comparing myself just because I know you're only seeing highlights on social media. I don't know why I decided to do my blush. I just wanted to see how the peach and the peach look together. So I'm using Angel Suede by Lawless. I'm kind of doing things out of order, but I just wanted to make sure I wasn't going over the top. And I love this shade. It's like super juicy, super pretty. Okay, I like where we're at. So I'm going to highlight and bronze. But yeah, so if any of you aren't taking a traditional path, or you're just like taking a little bit longer to blossom than the rest of your family, then trust me, I'm right there with you. I totally feel it. It's hard, but in the end, we're gonna be where we want to end up. It'll all come together. I'm just using the Hourglass Nude Bronze Light. I really like this bronzer. I think it adds just like, it has just a, it doesn't have any visible like shine, but there is a little bit of like dimension in the product so it doesn't fall flat, and I think that gives a more realistic glow, in my opinion. I look crazy when I don't finish my eyes and then I like start on my face, but here we are. All right, I like the way that's looking. Sometimes I bronze under here to just, you know, give a little extra coverage. Double chin, don't know her, don't have her. There we go. I'm like sweating on my upper lip. Ugh. Back to highlighting. I did things in such a weird order today on my face. I've been using this like kind of sample thing that I got from RMS Beauty. It's the luminizing powder in Grand Dame, and I am loving it. I think it's super pretty and not over the top. And I love that it's clean beauty, so I use it on my eyes and my face. I saw that Kosas came out with new brow products, so I'm thinking about trying them. I've been using this Velour one a lot. Velour. Velour. I've been using this one a lot, and it's okay. I like it. There's nothing wrong with it. I just feel like I want to try something new, you know? I'm so lazy when it comes to brows. I literally just like throw it on. Oh my god. I have not done my brows in so long. I'm kind of just letting them grow in. I don't really know why. I just kind of felt like it. I didn't over pluck them or anything. I just, you know, I'm letting them do their thing for a little bit. I think when summer's here, right before summer comes, I'll pluck them or get them waxed or something. All right, now that I made a mess of my brows, I'm gonna go back in, clean them up a little bit. And sometimes before school, I don't even do my hair. I will literally just part it down the middle, take down 2 little strands of hair right here, put the rest of my hair back, and then kind of tuck these behind my ears just to make myself look a little bit more put together. Sometimes I just have my elbow on my desk, but sometimes I'll just like put it to the side, give myself a cute little moment without having to heat style or anything. My hair, since it's blonde right now, it's just a little bit more dry than normal. I think because I was heat styling it a lot for a little bit, so I'm trying to do some no heat styles. I think I'm gonna incorporate more food videos soon. I haven't started working on those yet, but I thought that would be fun. Like a what I eat in the day, or like a week of breakfast, something like that. And I can always incorporate that into vlogs. Those don't need to be like standalone videos, but we will see. Cute. The look is coming together. Super peachy. I need to put something on my lips though. They are so dry. I'm gonna start with a little bit of lip liner. This is the shade Sink or Suede. This is from the Sephora line. I love their lip liners. It's just a little bit darker than my natural lip color, so it just defines my, well, not a little darker, it's like a couple shades darker. It just defines my lips a little bit so they're not so flat. And I'm gonna go in with some lip gloss, I think. I'm gonna do the Frank Body lip gloss. Cute, cute. Like where we're going, like where we're going. I've been trying out this Hydro Grip and Set Refresh whatever setting spray from Milk, so I'm gonna use that today. You have to shake it because it's like that dual layer. All right, there we go. The look is done. Super easy, super fast. I know it went a little bit longer because I was talking to you guys because I haven't in a while. But yeah, I love a super peachy, like nude moment on the face. I saw Hailey Bieber was doing this, what is it called? Like Peaches Makeup Challenge. So I'm not on TikTok and I don't really do Instagram reels. I want to get better about being on Instagram. I feel like you guys would like that, but I just am bad at it. I need to get better. But yeah, I wanted to do just kind of like a peachy look. And it came out really good. I love this lip combo. So good. I'll make sure I link everything below so you guys can see what I used because I got some good products here. But alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Oh, also, before I go, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and do all that fun stuff. I think we're at like 775 subscribers, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, all right, now I'll go. Bye.